Getting down to the wire, what we're going to do now is summary and a stub of the draw program, or the draw member function actually. Summary is fairly easy to do. Again, following the order in which we're going to do things, we're going to do the box.h first, then its implementation, and then we'll test it. So let's go into box.h, and we're going to go down here and we're going to create two things. We're going to say void summary and void draw. Now, I'm not going to do the whole draw. That's the next video after that, because draw takes a little bit of time. It's not difficult, it's just a little time consuming. It's the largest amount of code in the project. So let's go over here and let's do our box.cpp, and we're going to scroll down. And I like to put them in order that they're in the box.h. It just looks cleaner. So we're going to do void box : summary. And if we read our specifications, it says summary is to print out information about the box to include the size, the perimeter, area, and the picture of the box. And we're just going to use the functions that already exist. So cout, okay, and we'll say the size of the box is colon, and we're going to say get size indel, and cout the perimeter of the box is, and if you want to make sure that everything kind of lines up, you can kind of do that. Okay, get perimeter, cout, okay, the area of the box is, okay, and then finally we call draw. And we haven't written draw yet. I'm going to do that right now, but it's going to be a very simple draw. Okay, it's what do we call a stub? We want to be able to call the routine, but we haven't implemented it fully yet, but allows us to test it, the call to it anyway, box : draw, and all we're going to do here is we're going to just print out a message that says cout. This is what the box looks like. Okay. Okay. Now then, let's test it. Let's go into our main routine, main.cpp, and what I'm going to do down here is we have notice that we've declared box 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to say, we're going to test this. We're going to say, okay, my box 2 summary, my box 3 summary, my box 4 summary, and we'll see what we get. Okay, no guarantees here. I haven't tested it yet. Let's run the make utility. Okay, we got 2 has no class, box has no, oh, let's see what we got. We have summary over there. Let's go in and look at our CPP. Did we make a mistake there? I think we probably did, and I think I probably know what it is. And okay, void box summary. Oh, okay. Try this. -C std equal C++ 11 box.h. Okay, now let's run the make utility. Oh, we still got it. Box 3 summary. No. Okay, the problem was, I'll tell you, I forgot to save the file over here, the box.h. I hadn't saved it yet, so it wasn't updated. So once I did that, everything worked just fine. All right, we make these mistakes. All right, so we'll type main, and here we have it. The size is box 4, the perimeter is 16, the area is 16, that's right. The box looks like that's our draw function right there. Box is size 5, the perimeter is 20, that's right, and 25. 35 times 4, that's correct. So everything looks okay. So all we have left to do now is to do the draw. That'll be our next video. What I'm going to do in the meantime is I'm going to actually add comments to my program so you can see what a professionally documented program looks like, and I'll encourage you to do that as well. Let me show you the implementation box.cpp so that you can actually look at the summary and the draw right there and get that to the point where your program looks like mine and it runs, and test it. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to close this, and I'm going to add documentation to this. Comments, professionally done comments, and then what we'll do is the last videos we'll tackle the draw. It is the most complex part of this project. It's not tough, you can do it, we'll do it in a video, but it is the most amount of code for this particular project, so it's very interesting. Okay, very good. Get this done and then on to the next video.